In this short video, we're going to look at how you can use maps as a really useful educational tool. So I'm going to open up the app to begin with. So at its most basic, we can use it to explore the world and just sort of scroll through and zoom in and out on different geographical features. But we can also search for landmarks and get a better look by using the 3D imaging. So I'm going to go ahead and search for the London Eye. Okay, so far so good. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose the 3D option here, and I'm also going to change my view from map to satellite. So there we go. We get a 3D image of the landmark that we can scroll around and have a good look at. Now this information card can give us more insight to the London Eye, so I can tap on the eye here and it can tell me what it's all about and give me more images. A little bit of a Wikipedia paragraph there. And I can do the same for other landmarks. So if I just scroll around and have a quick look around London, we've got the Palace of Westminster here and the Elizabeth Tower. If I tap on the eye there, again it will give me some more information and some photos. Of course you can take screenshots of any of this and use it in ongoing projects, but it's just a great way of gaining some information and exploring a city or landmarks.